Are you a beginner guitarist who dreams of playing soulful blues like the greats? Do you find yourself struggling with the 12 bars blues progression and wondering how to master it? Look no further. In this ultimate guide, we will take you from a novice to a blues virtuoso, providing step-by-step instructions and tips that will unlock your potential on the guitar. So grab your instrument, get ready to dive deep into the world of blues, and let's start dominating that 12 bars progression. Understanding the basics. Before diving into mastering the 12 bars blues progression, it's essential to understand its structure. The 12 bars blues is a musical form consisting of 3 chords played in sequence over 12 bars or measures. Typically, these chords are referred to as I, the tonic, IV, the subdominant, and V, the dominant. For example, in the key of E, these chords would be E7, I, A7, IV, and B7, V. Mastering chord shapes. To dominate any musical progression on guitar, it is crucial to have a solid foundation in chord shapes. Start by learning basic open chord shapes for each chord in the 12 bars progression. Practice transitioning smoothly between them until they become second nature. Adding flavor with bar chords. Once comfortable with open chord shapes, take your skills up a notch by incorporating bar chords into your arsenal. Bar chords allow for greater flexibility and mobility across different keys while maintaining consistent fingerings. Enhancing your rhythm playing. The backbone of any great blues performance lies in rhythm playing. Develop strong rhythmic skills by practicing strumming patterns specific to each bar within the 12 bars progression. Exploring lead techniques. To truly dominate the blues, it's essential to explore lead techniques that add depth and emotion to your playing. Start by learning simple blues scales such as the minor pentatonic scale and experiment with bending notes, vibrato, and sliding between positions. Improvisation. Let your creativity shine. One of the most exciting aspects of blues guitar is improvisation. Once you have a solid foundation in chord shapes and lead techniques, start experimenting with creating your own solos within the 12 bars progression. Let your creativity flow and allow yourself to express emotions through your playing. Listening to blues masters. Listening to influential blues musicians is an excellent way to develop a deeper understanding of the genre and gain inspiration for your own playing. Spend time immersing yourself in recordings by legends like B.B. King, Stevie Ray Vaughan, or Eric Clapton. Pay attention not only to their technical skills but also their phrasing, dynamics, and overall musicality. Practicing with backing tracks. To simulate a real-life performance experience while practicing alone, utilize backing tracks specifically designed for the 12 bars blues progression. These tracks often include rhythm sections that provide a solid foundation for you to practice both rhythm playing and soloing. Seeking guidance from professionals. While self-study can take you far on your journey towards mastering the 12 bars blues progression on guitar, seeking guidance from professionals can provide invaluable insights into technique refinement and personalized feedback tailored specifically to address any weaknesses or challenges you may encounter along the way.